Welcome back to Andy's Guide. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add virtual backgrounds on Zoom. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Zoom, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding virtual backgrounds on Zoom can enhance your video conferencing experience by allowing you to replace your physical background with an image or video of your choice. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you have loaded your Zoom application, this method is also doable in the Zoom app on your mobile device or on the Zoom website. I need you to hover to where it says More and click on Configure menu. If you don't want that, just click on the settings option here at the upper right corner, and from there go to the background and effects. Once you've done that, you can choose any virtual backgrounds that you wanted, from San Francisco to the grass, earth, a beach, or northern lights it is. Now you have an option to use the mirror my video, or if you have a green screen. All right, a solid color video background is required because green color is preferred. If you don't want that, just click on that. And you can also go to the video filters if you wanted. You can use this. That's for the person talking or hosting. If you click on these studio effects, you would be hovered down here on this, but we're going to deal with that in some other time. But for now, you can also add an image or a video of your choosing, which we're going to do right now. Now, once the image has been loaded, basically what will happen is virtual background images should ideally around 1280 by 720 pixels for optimal quality, because higher resolutions work better. And you can also use videos as virtual backgrounds if you wanted, to ensure that the video file format is supported by Zoom. All right, if you have a green screen earlier, you can check the I have a green screen here. Make sure your face is well lit and avoid backlighting. Now, virtual backgrounds allow you to keep your personal space private, preventing others from seeing your home environment. And by using a virtual background, you can minimize potential distractions from your real background that might affect the focus of the meeting. You can use theme backgrounds for special occasions or events to make meetings more engaging and visually appealing. And the virtual backgrounds can add element of fun and creativity to meetings, encouraging more active participation from attendees. If you don't like the image, just click on this one, blur or none, or again, you can choose from all these settings, from grass, earth, beach, which is very interactive to have a summer vibe on your meetings, and northern light for a cool atmospheric background of your choice in Zoom. You can also click on the add virtual backgrounds again as a media, and if in case you encounter any problems adding a virtual background here on Zoom, be it on your mobile device, on the Zoom website, or your desktop application, I suggest you go to Zoom support and type in your question. If you get an answer, or hover here at the bottom right where we can talk to the Zoom virtual assistant and to get an insight and troubleshooting step on how to fix the virtual backgrounds on Zoom if in case you encounter any problems or issues along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.